Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is actually afternoon now and we actually just finished having dinner. My son actually just fell asleep upstairs, but he just left his mess here in the living room, and I also have to clean my kitchen and just get it all cleaned up. So I thought I would just film it for you guys. I know you guys do enjoy my cleaning videos and get some motivation out of them, so I just wanted to go ahead and film this for you guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy watching it. Here is a glimpse of how my kitchen is looking. As I mentioned to you guys, we just actually finished having dinner. I made enchiladas. I do have actually a recipe for this, these Mexican enchiladas that I make. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you guys check out my Cook With Me playlist. That will be in there. And yeah, this is just how I have everything everywhere, so I need to definitely clean up. This is where I actually made my enchiladas, and here are the dishes. Some dishes are actually already washed, but here are the ones that I need to go ahead and get washed. So if you guys are in need of some motivation for this weekend, make sure you go ahead and watch my video, and make sure you guys click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy these type of videos. So the first thing I'm going to start by doing is just picking up all of my son's toys and just go ahead and take them to the room that we have down here and just put those all away. My son loves to play with this rug here that I have on my ghost chair, so I always have to fix that, and of course all of the pillows. So for today, I actually decided to just go ahead and finish off my living room here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down my coffee table with the Method glass cleaner. So that's what I'm doing here. And for this video, guys, I am trying to give you different angles. That way you guys don't get bored of, watching the same position of the camera being, in the same place and stuff. So I am trying to change it up in this video, so make sure you stick till the end. So today is Thursday, and I wanted to go ahead and just get all of my cleaning done today. That way I don't have to worry about, having to clean over the weekend, just because my husband and I just celebrated our 3rd year wedding anniversary on August 20th, and we actually have plans for the weekend just to go out to dinner, and I just wanted to make sure the house was nice and clean, and I just didn't have to worry about doing that over the weekend. So right before I started cleaning, we did actually have dinner, so I have everything out of what I used, and I actually made enchiladas, as I mentioned to you guys earlier. And if you guys are interested in knowing how I make the Mexican enchiladas, make sure you go ahead and check out my video. It is on the Cook With Me playlists. So make sure you guys also check out my playlist, because I have all kinds of videos here on my channel, so I don't want you guys to miss a video. Also, make sure you guys click on that bell. That way you guys all get alerted when I do upload a new video. And so yeah, I just need to clean everything up and put things away and get all of the dishes washed. So that's actually what I'm going to be doing next. when I'm watching clean with me videos, I get so excited, guys, when I see people washing the dishes by hand, because that to me is so relaxing. I don't know what it is about it, but I just feel like I get so relaxed, you know, especially if I'm watching like at nighttime or if I need some motivation. I just love it. I hope you guys do enjoy, you know, watching me clean my dishes by hand. As I mentioned to you guys before, I have never actually tried using my dishwasher, and a lot of you guys actually tried or use your dishwasher, so I might give it a try one of these days to see how I like it. So now that all my dishes are washed, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink area and my sponge and everything. Just make sure everything is clean. So I don't think I have actually mentioned to you guys, but I did actually start my Spanish channel. I have only uploaded 2 videos so far, but I am planning on uploading a lot more videos on that channel. So if you guys are actually Spanish speakers, make sure you guys are subscribed to that channel as well. You can find it on the section of my channels. You will see it's just under my name, or it's a pause. So make sure you are subscribed to that channel as well if you speak Spanish, or even if you don't speak Spanish. I would just love your support, just because I am starting over with that channel. I only have like 122 subscribers at the moment, so I would love any support that I can get from you guys. So I'm thinking for one of my next videos, maybe like a cleaning video, of doing a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions for me, make sure you guys go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I would just love to go ahead and get those answered for you guys, and just maybe change it up a little bit. I know I always usually do the voiceovers and stuff like that, so I wanted to do something a little bit different and do that. I also was thinking of doing a mukbang, so give me any ideas or any video requests. I would really appreciate it if you guys let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me right after watching my video. My username is MrsPazStyle, so it's the same name as my channel. So just make sure you search for me and add me on there. I would love your support on there as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my dining table, and I brought you guys a little bit closer, that way you guys actually can see a little bit better of exactly what I do. But I just basically throw any crumbs that is on the plates or anywhere around the table just down to the floor, and just remove the placemat and the plate, and make sure I get everything nice and clean. So earlier today, I actually already had swept my floors, but since I was actually cleaning and I wanted to go ahead and mop, I had to make sure to go ahead and sweep again. So one thing that I do love about these floors, you guys, is that you can't really honestly tell if they are dirty unless it's like a dark spot, or like I spill like orange juice, or something with color. But other than that, these floors definitely do cover up a lot of the dirt, so I do like that. And also my tile that I actually have on my living room, that definitely covers as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start mopping my floors. So since I started using the new floor cleaner that I ordered from the Grove Collaborative, I do actually notice that my floors take a lot less to dry. I'm not sure if that actually has to do something with that, but it definitely only takes about 5 minutes and the floor is dry. So I am loving that floor cleaner. So if you guys have not tried it, I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning my house, and I'm just so happy that I'm not gonna have to worry about doing this over the weekend. So I'm just giving you a little tour of my dining room and my entryway table and everything. I actually didn't film when I cleaned this, but I did actually clean the entryway table as well. And this is just the view when coming into the house and what you see. So here's the dining area, the kitchen, and I am just so happy it's all clean, and my living room. So I hope you all did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button, and don't forget to go ahead and like this video and leave me a comment.